How to fix Secure Boot State Unsupported error in Windows. 1. Enable Secure Boot in BIOS. Note, you may need to ensure your device meets the hardware requirements for device encryption. 2. Check and enable TPM support via tpm.msc, launch to prepare the TPM in the action menu. Restart your computer later. 3. Choose UEFI in BIOS settings. 4. Convert the partition style from MBR to GPT with disk management. 5. Perform a clean. Boot on your PC. 6. Perform an in-place upgrade with an original Windows ISO file. 7. Clean install your Windows. 8. Check modern standby support. Run power / a command as admin and ensure you read this line, S0 low power idle mode.